Hello everybody, welcome back to the Bubble Daddy Soap YouTube channel, and today I am doing another tub test for the Cherry Bomb Bath Bomb. It's nice and hard. All of these came out really good. I'm really pleased with them. So we're just going to go ahead and put them in and put it in and see how it does. just about fizzed out. You can see that it's turned our water a very pretty sort of maroonish color. Actually, if I get the rest of the colorant mixed in, you'll get a better idea of what color everything is. I use water-soluble colorants so it doesn't leave a ring around the tub, which is nice because when I first started out trying to find a good recipe, it always left a horrible ring around the tub. You can see it's still going over there. Again, with agitation, this makes bubbles. So if you want to add more water to it, it'll turn it into a bubble bath. At any rate, if you like this video, be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. If you want notifications every time I post, which is multiple times a week, hit that bell icon down below. Once again, I've been Trevor with the Bubble Daddy Soap YouTube channel, and I will see you soon.